how to change location on Instagram. For that, you need to simply open Instagram. Make sure that you have signed into your Instagram account. Then tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner. On the space, tap on three-line icon at the upper right corner. Now simply you need to scroll all the way down. Under for professional, you can see account type and tools. Tap on it. And now you need to switch to professional account. After that, you need to simply tap on continue. And here choose the category. Once you have chosen the category, simply what you need to do is tap on display on profile. If you don't toggle on the button of display on profile, then the location might not be changed and you might face problems. So keep this in mind. Now tap on done. Now tap on OK to confirm that you want to switch to a professional account. You need to choose the business. Only after that you'll be able to change the location on Instagram. Now tap on next button. Here simply you need to tap on business address and add the location that you want to change on Instagram. After you have added the location, simply tap on save and you can easily change location on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like and subscribe if this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.